Okay, I'm going to help you with the grad requirements reflection, and I'm going to try to be really quick. Um, first thing, make sure you answer in full sentences. So if you have partial sentences, you're going to get a 0 for it because you have to have your assignments all complete in order to receive credit for them. So I will turn it back to you if it's not in full sentences. Okay, so that's one of the really important things to know. So this you use your grad tracker to figure out. Remember that this chart is here for your grad tracker. Just put in the closest letter grade equivalent. So if your GPA is a 2.1, that is closer to a C than a C plus, so you would put in a C. Okay. This question asks you if you're on track to graduate using evidence from the tracker. So you're going to go back here and you're going to look at it and you're going to think, do I have enough time to do what I have remaining, right? Am I confident that I can achieve that? I think these two are pretty straightforward. When you're thinking about academic habits, you're thinking about the kinds of things that you do, like do you focus in class? Do you chat with your friends? Do you do your homework? Do you turn in your assignments on time? Do you get enough sleep at night? Those are the kinds of things that you might want to consider. This question, you already thought about this in your grad tracker. You're going to use this website to find out what grades you need in order to get to the GPA you want. I'm going to come back to that at the end of the video and walk you through it if you need help. This question I think is pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to go over it. And then this last one asks you to go to YouTube or just go to a Google search and find a resource about the idea of a growth mindset. You're going to watch or read the resource and then answer these 3 questions. So if you go to YouTube, you search growth mindset, you ignore the ad, you find a video that you want to watch. I think this one is pretty decent. You can use that one if you want. And watch it, go back to your reflection, say what is a growth mindset, what did you get out of it, what is a fixed mindset, and what mindset have you had, and do you want to change anything? Okay, you might be done with this video. If you want help using this website, I'm going to walk you through that right now. When you click on it, it's going to take you here to this GPA calculator, and you're going to put in your current GPA and the number of credits you've taken so far. This is on your transcript. And then you're going to put in the courses that you have left to take. And so just do your academic classes, so just math, ELA, humanities, science. Leave this, it says 2 credits when you get here. It's the default is that it says 2 credits. Leave that there because you're going to take 1 credit junior year, 1 credit senior year. So that's how much you have left, the credits you have left to take. If you are in kind of our regular classes, those are college level classes. You can change this to AP if you're thinking about taking AP. Then you're gonna select the grades you think you can get. So maybe you're a B student in math. Maybe your goal is to get A minuses in English. And if you just move your cursor down, this is going to show you what your GPA would be if you earned those grades. So you can kind of take a look to see, is your GPA goal reasonable, right? So with these grades added to this so far, right, then I would get to a 3.66, which is higher, right, than my 3.31. But these grades are not going to get me to a 4, right? So this can help you figure out, is my goal achievable? What I need to get in order to get to that goal. So when you go back to the reflection, you want to talk about what grades that you would need to get in order to reach your goal. Like I would need to get A minuses in English, etc. Okay, I think that's all. If you have more questions, ask me for help.